Hi guys, the video which you are watching, this is a cruise ship of MSC which got on fire on 12th of March this year. And the good news is that nobody got injured. But guys, we all know the cruise industry is going through a very rough time. You and me are sitting at home, there is no job on cruise. There are very few cruise ships are in operation actually, and this thing happened. We can only say, God, please forgive us and please do something so we can go on cruise ship and we are back in business. The cruise ship are back in business so we can earn and we can see the world. So guys, please watch this video till the end and don't forget to subscribe my channel Cruising with Goldie. I keep coming up with more beautiful videos for you. Thank you. So guys, you can see the fire is not that big. It is basically in the area where the lifeboats are located, and the report says that it was in some lifeboat. There was a fire extinguisher in that the fire break off. You can see the flame. But right now what you can see that small boat which is pouring water, that is fire brigade of the sea. The normal fire brigade buses can't go, so we have, this is the fire brigade boat and the fire is stopped now. Don't worry. Now this is the after image and it looks scary, don't it? But don't worry, everything is in control.